Guys, welcome. This is Brad Krantz. Thanks for joining me today. My topic today is homelessness in Montana, 6 questions to ask. John Maxwell wrote a helpful book a few years ago that I've read titled Good Leaders Ask Great Questions. So I want to change the tracks on what I've been doing with these videos and ask 6 questions, hopefully great questions. I want to demonstrate this leadership principle in this short video. A professor of mine in college made the statement, good causes make bad laws. And that's always resonated with me. I think he was generally correct. I would amend that to good intentions make for bad policy decisions and outcomes. So we need to ask the right questions in facing Montana's growing homeless crisis. First, we need to acknowledge that this is a community problem. And then we can start by asking the right question. So here's my 6 focus questions. Number 1, why do we have this problem? What are the causes? Number 2, what results do we want for the homeless situation here in Kalispell, near where I live, and in Missoula? And third, what does the ideal homeless situation look like here? Okay. And fourth, what will it take to make that happen? And then number 5, since it is a community problem, how do we best work together to solve this? And number 6, how do we avoid implementing those poor decisions that result in bad outcomes like so many other cities have done? And I'm going to name Seattle, Portland, and San Francisco, just so you know. So we need to ask the right questions if we're going to have any hope of coming up with the right answers. And hopefully this starts the ball rolling in the right direction. But before I end, let me ask you, do you agree or disagree? And what questions would you ask? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me today. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.